Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we are going to talk about Monopoly Go purchase error. The error reads, "Purchase error. Sorry, your purchase could not be completed. Please try again." The error comes when users try to make an in-game purchase in Monopoly Go, but the transaction fails and shows this error. According to the reports, the error likely comes due to payment issues or a problem on the game's system side. The first thing we suggest is to close the game completely. Simply restart your device and then try the purchase again. If the error still comes, check if the game needs an update. Simply go to your App Store and update the game if available and see if the error still comes. If the error still persists, make sure you are using a valid and allowable credit card and that it hasn't expired. If the error still continues, try using a different card or payment method and check if this resolves the error. At last, if you still get the error, it could be due to a system-side issue with the game. So wait for a while and try again. If nothing helps, contact the game support and check if the error still comes. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.